Traveling idioms and phrases. Hit the road, meaning to leave or start a journey. Let's hit the road before the traffic gets bad. We packed the car and hit the road early. Off the beaten path, meaning a quiet place far from tourists. We found a small, lovely cafe off the beaten path. I like exploring places that are off the beaten path. On a shoestring, meaning traveling with very little money. He traveled across the world on a shoestring. You can stay in hostels if you are on a shoestring. Catch some rays, meaning sit or lie in the sun. I'm going to the beach to catch some rays. We spent all afternoon catching some rays. Live out of a suitcase, meaning staying in hotels without unpacking. I'm tired of living out of a suitcase every week. Travel bloggers often have to live out of a suitcase. At the crack of dawn, meaning as soon as the sun comes up. Our flight leaves at the crack of dawn. The bus starts its journey at the crack of dawn. Pack light, meaning bring only a small bag. You should pack light for this short weekend trip. I always pack light to save time at the airport. Make a pit stop, meaning a quick break for food or the bathroom. Let's make a pit stop at the next gas station. We made a quick pit stop to buy some water. Red-eye flight, meaning a plane that flies late at night. I took a red-eye flight to save money on a hotel. She felt very sleepy after the red-eye flight. It's a small world, meaning meeting someone you know in a place you didn't expect. I saw my old classmate in London. It's a small world. You know my cousin? Wow, it's a small world. Break the bank, meaning to be way too expensive. A nice vacation doesn't have to break the bank. That fancy hotel will definitely break the bank. Travel light, meaning traveling with very few bags. It's much easier to walk when you travel light. She likes to travel light on her summer holidays. To miss the boat, meaning to be too late for a good chance. I didn't buy the cheap ticket, so I missed the boat. Hurry! Don't miss the boat on this hotel deal. Call it a day, meaning to stop doing something for now. We are tired of walking, so let's call it a day. It's getting dark. Let's call it a day and go home. Get itchy feet, meaning wanting to travel somewhere new. Whenever I see a plane, I get itchy feet. I've been home too long. I'm getting itchy feet. In the same boat, meaning having the same problem as someone else. You lost your luggage too? We are in the same boat. Both flights are delayed, so we are all in the same boat. Thirst for adventure, meaning a strong wish to explore. His thirst for adventure led him to the mountains. Her thirst for adventure led her to the desert. Culture vulture, meaning someone who loves history and museums. He is a culture vulture who visits every art gallery. I'm a culture vulture when I visit old cities. Just the ticket, meaning exactly what is needed. This cold juice is just the ticket for a hot day. A nap in the afternoon was just the ticket. Safe travels, meaning a friendly way to say have a safe trip. Goodbye. Have a great time and safe travels. I sent a message to my friend wishing her safe travels. Quiz time. Question 1. If someone says they need to hit the road, what are they about to do? B. Start their journey. Question 2. Which idiom describes traveling with very little money? A. On a shoestring. Question 3. What does it mean to visit a place that is off the beaten path? C. A place where not many people go. Question 4. If you are living out of a suitcase, what is your situation? D. You are traveling and never unpacking. Question 5. When is a red-eye flight usually taken? C. During the night.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these 2 videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.